Before a quantum gravity can be defined with enough justification, the true nature of classical gravity must be fully understood. Classical gravity is a free fall of constant motion from maximal zero point toward the central zero point of time energy wave pattern. For instance, when a ball is thrown up in classical world, it acquires potential energy for the free fall as time, energy, and mass are inverse by entanglement and relationship. But it seems like the energy, ball, and time relativistic scaling are traveling the same trajectory. But that is not the case if analyzed at quantum level. At quantum level, the formation of additional mass as energy worth is feasible at low energy state against time relativistic scaling that warrants the elongation of converging wavelengths that overlap as one mass of particles. Therefore, the tossing energy of the ball is constantly descending at the formation of energy worth as it approaches the peak zero point before the actual free fall. The inertial nature of classical gravity makes it to be continuous and smooth in momentum transition. Just as charged speed scales up to even up the speed of magnet in electromagnetic motion in order to balance it up with that of the charged ions in symmetry of electromagnetic wave pattern. So also is energy scaled up and even up to match up the speed of time in symmetry of time energy wave. The energized velocity of radiation motion from black hole is even out in classical region of the universe for smooth expanding momentum. Meanwhile, non-locality of time energy interaction is the entanglement of quantized exchange. There are classical activities in quantum realm and there are quantum activities in classical realm. Therefore, classical gravity can be termed as a constant free fall from time dilated momentum of quantum gravity towards central zero point of time energy wave trajectory. To better explain this, classical gravity is a constant descending trajectory of time energy wave pattern towards the central zero point, while quantum gravity is an ascending trajectory of time energy wave pattern energized by time narrow scaling towards the central zero point. At maxima, the peak zero point, the mass worth is suspended by positive energy to implement free fall in time dilated stimulation toward central zero point as indicated by application of formula of everything dt dm equal to capital Um plus 4m. Meanwhile, at minima, the lowest zero point of time energy, the mass of particles is suspended by negative energy to cause ascension towards central zero point as indicated by application of formula of everything. Quantum gravity is a direct opposite of classical gravity. The smooth and continuous nature of classical gravity is caused by time dilated scaling, while discrete and discontinuous nature of quantum gravity is an effect of time narrow scaling. When time is dilated by scaling, particles' wavelength is elongated and overlapped with the wavelengths of other particles to form a unified mass of particles with smooth and continuous nature similar to that of the classical in the position phase of time energy wave. But when time is narrowed by scaling, particles' wavelength is shortened and retracted from the wavelengths of other particles as a discrete and discontinuous particle of highly energized momentum in the momentum phase of time energy wave. Mass worth and mass of particles are not entering through either the peak zero point or lowest zero point in order to exchange momentum in opposite direction toward the central zero point as classical gravity and quantum gravity respectively. Time is too dilated in classical realm to influence the constant speed of gravity, but compactness of time scaling is the compressed excess of energy's volume that actualizes the needed symmetry and acceleration of velocity at quantum realm. Therefore, classical gravity is a trajectory from high energy to low energy of time energy wave, while quantum gravity is a trajectory from low energy to high energy of time energy wave. Little wonder entropy is from low energy to high energy, and black body radiation is also from low energy to high energy to justify the direction of quantum gravity. For more information, kindly get the anatomy of quantum gravity, seeing the anatomy of quantum gravity through formula of everything, and the time theory of the universe as published books and research papers on Amazon Bookstore and ijser.org. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for subsequent videos. Thank you.